I support the motion of Senator Mig Zubiri to strike sa record yung video presentation ni Senator Amy Marcos. I've been in public service broadcasting sa media for almost 30 years now. First time na ako nakita ng How Shao presentation kanina. But before that, let me tell you this. Sana wag natin gamitin yung plenary para sa mga conspiracy theories natin. Sana maging totoo lang tayo. Again, babalikan natin yung sinasabi ko, experience ko sa media. 30 years na po ako sa media. Kapag ako po or anybody from the media, professional, legit, hindi yung house show, pag nag-expose, gumawa ng expose, binabakapan yan ng video related doon sa expose, hindi yung gawa-gawa, hindi yung katang-isip, hindi yung opinion. Pag naglabas ng expose ang isang tao, especially dito sa bulwagang ito, dapat related doon sa sinasabi noong senador. Just like what Senator Zubiri said, nakita niyo naman po, Madam President, every time na ako'y gagawa ng expose, every time na ako'y gagawa dito ng privilege speech, at yung privilege speech ko, binabakapan ko po ng mga sumbong, actual na mga sumbong ng mga taong lumalapit sa aking programa at dinadala ko rito para mabigyan ng solusyon ang problema inilalapit sa akin. At hindi po yung opinion lamang. Ganun po dapat tayo rito. Now, ilang beses na po tayo nagpalit ng liderato dito sa Senado. Every time nagkaroon ng palitan, ngayon lang po ako nakita na nagkakaroon ng kaguluhan. Why? What's wrong? Dapat hindi na po. Let's move on. Kasi nasasayang po yung oras natin dito, puro na lang bangayan. The people have spoken. Sinasabi nila, enough is enough. We've been like a circus for the past few days. Pinagtatawanan po tayo. I was out there last night. Pag naglalakad ako, kinakausap ko ng mga tao, ano nangyari sa Senado? Ano bang nangyari sa inyo? What's going on? Nakakaya na po. Ang panawagan ko, magtrabaho na lang po tayo. Itigil na po natin to mga kung ano ng mga nasa katang-isip natin. Let's move on because we were voted, elected by the people para magtrabaho, hindi para magbangayan. Maraming salamat, Madam President.
Maraming salamat po. Tayo po ay nakikiisa rin sa sinabi nyo. May katanungan lang po ang presiding officer because we are using either the Filipino language or English. I would like to request the good gentleman from Isabela to use a alternative word to how shall because it may be difficult to translate it. Is that Filipino? I just want to be enlightened.
How shall
Yes.
is street lingo meaning fake.
I'm sorry.
Ibig sabihin fake,
Okay.
ibig sabihin peke.
Yes. So that it's clear because I
Pirated.
was also asked. So are
Pero
you
Tagalog na yun.
are you there editing or amending the statement?
Sige, from
Because
how
even
shall,
the,
let's
the
edit it to
spelling was not clear
fake.
also to the stenographers.
Hindi legit. Okay, yun
Opo.
lang po. Thank you.
Thank you very
Thank
much.
you, Madam President.
Since we're talking about parliamentary language, may we also cite that everyone uses either English in its traditional form and Filipino and or other languages of the 120 languages of the Philippines. Thank you.